Yes, good morning children. In the last classes we have discussed about the solving of the pair of linear equations by the graph and also by the substitution method. And now we are going to learn that one more method to solve the pair of linear equations, that is called as a elimination method. Elimination means you know that one of the subject should be cancelled from that. So now you can take here example solving by elimination method. One problem we are taking from exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. X plus y is equal to 5. And one more, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Here the two equations you are seeing that one is x plus y is equal to 5, another one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. So here we have to eliminate either x or y according to our convenient. So to eliminate it, either we have to do addition or we have to do the subtraction. To do like that, the coefficients of a1 and a2, coefficients a1 and a2 must be the same, or b1 and b2 must be the same. But here x plus y is equal to 5. Here the x term is only x, here the x term is the 2x, here the a1 place 1 and a2 place is the 2. We have to make that coefficients are equal by multiplying whole of the equation. Now this equation you can multiply by 2 and this equation we have to multiply by 1. Then what happened? X terms will become equal. If you want to make that y terms are equal, multiply this by 3 and this by 1. Now 2 into x, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. It is the first equation and it is the second equation. We have to eliminate. I said now, to eliminate either we have to add or we have to subtract. In this case, we are subtracting minus plus minus. 2x minus 2x is the cancel. 2y plus 3y is the 5y is equal to how much? 10 minus 4 is the 6. Okay. Y is equal to 6 by 5. Y value we got already. Now we have to find the value of x. How do you find out that x? Substitute y is equal to 6 by 5 in equation either 1 or 2 in anything. Okay, in the 1 we can substitute here x plus y is equal to 5. X plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 6 by 5 is equal to LCM is the 5. 1 5 is a 5 5 is a 25 minus 6 is equal to 19 by 5. This is the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Are you understood that? This you are unable to see, I think. Here, x is equal to how much? 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. So here we have to know that whether our answers are correct or not. What we have to do? These values you have to substitute either in the first equation or in the second equation. It should be satisfied. That is for verification whether our answer is the correct or not. Are you understood, please? Okay. We are coming for the next problem. Next problem, 3x minus 5y is minus 4. 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Both are not in the form of a pair of linear equations. That means in the general form. We have to write them. This is 3x minus 5y is equal to 4, and this will become 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now here you can see that we have to eliminate any one of the variable from this. To eliminate, their terms must be equal. Here the 3x, 9x, minus 5y, minus 2y. Both are the different. In the first case, we are eliminated the x. Now we can try to eliminate the y. To eliminate the y, this you can multiply with 2 and this you can multiply with the 5. 2 3s are 6x minus 10y is equal to 8. 5 into 9, 45x minus 10y is equal to 7. Sorry, is equal to 35. Are you understood? 5 9s are 45x, 5 minus 2s are minus 10y is equal to 35. Now you can eliminate the y. What we are supposed to do that eliminate the y? By the addition it's not possible, we have to subtract it. Minus plus minus. This is cancelled. Minus 10y plus 10y cancel. How much is left over here? Minus 45 plus 6. Minus 45 plus 6. How much? 39. Minus 39x is equal to 8 minus 35. How much? Minus 27. X is equal to minus 27 by minus 39. Minus minus cancel. 3 9s are 3 13s are is equal to 9 by 13. Which one? That is the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y by substituting this in the equation. Substitute. Shall I do here? Substitute x is equal to 9 by 13 in equation 1. Right here in one equation, 3 into 9 by 13 minus 5y is equal to 4. 3 9s are 27 by 13 minus 5y by 1 is equal to 4. Now this you can send other side. 27 by 13 minus 4 by 1 is equal to plus 5y. Take that LCM of this. 13, 27 minus 52 is equal to 5y is equal to minus 25 by 13 is equal to 5y, and y is equal to, are you able to see? Y is equal to minus 25 by 13 into 5. 5 1s are 5 5s are is equal to, y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Are you understood? See, put a glance on this just for a little while. Are you understood, please? Okay. Now x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to minus 5 by 13. Like this we are able to eliminate any one of the variable, either x or y. Okay, now already you know that how to convert the given problems into the pair of linear equations, and then we have to solve it. So whatever the giving problems here, the sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. So here this problem, first we have to convert into the pair of linear equations, and then we are supposed to solve it. Sum of the two-digit number and the number obtaining by reversing the digits is 66. Then the digits, if the digits of a number differ by 2, let small number is equal to y, larger number is equal to x. Now numbers are differ by 2, he said, therefore x minus y is equal to 2. It is the first one, first equation, got it. Next we are framing another one. What he said, sum of the two-digit number and the number formed by reversing the digits. Okay, number is equal. What we have to do? Number, if you are taking x in the units place and y in the tens place, 10x plus y plus another number. Which number? Number formed by reversing digits is equal to 10y plus x. Sum of these two numbers is equal to 66, he said. So 10x plus y plus 10y plus x is equal to 6 as per condition of the problem. 10x plus x, 11x plus y plus 10y, 11y is equal to 66. Take that 11 is the common in this, x plus y is equal to 66, 11 ones are 11 6 are, x plus y is equal to 6. It is the second equation. Already got it? Two equations, x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y is equal to 6. Now we have to solve these two equations. See here, x plus y is equal to 6, x minus y is equal to 2. By solving these two, y plus y minus y will be cancelled, x plus x, 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. Substitute this x is equal to 4 in any one of the equation. So 4 plus y is equal to 6, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4 you got and y is equal to 2 you got. Therefore, the number is, original number what we have denoted here, 10x plus y, 10 into 4 plus 2 is equal to 40. Are you understood? So the required number is the 42. Like this, we are able to solve that some other problems also from this chapter 3.4. You can try to do that. Page number 57, first question, second question, fourth question and fifth question as a homework. In case if you don't get that, you can call me, I will explain you in the next class. Okay, good afternoon, good luck.